What's going on, everybody? This is Ryder here with Lifted and Lowered Golf Carts. Behind me, I've got a really cool product that we're going to be showing you guys today. This is something brand new that we just engineered and designed. So what we've got, this is going to be a brand new trailer hitch for the Evolution D5 models. This hitch was fully designed by our team here in-house. A lot of you guys might know we actually manufacture the hitches for the Icon EV model carts, and now we're going to be offering it for the Evolutions. This is exclusively made for the D5s, so whether you have a Ranger or a Maverick, this will fit your cart. So in this video, we're going to be showing you guys how to install this and how easy you can get one of these on your new cart. All right, so the first step in installing this hitch is going to be removing your bag tray back here. So if you guys didn't know already, on the D5 models, this is removable. You've got three little knobs in here. You're going to turn all of these three to the left, shut this, and this will slide right out. Once you have removed that, you're going to be able to access three bolts right here. These are going to be Phillips head bolts. We're going to be removing these and replacing them with different ones, but that is the first step. Okay, now that we have the trunk removed, it's now time to remove these bolts. So using a Phillips head screwdriver or drill or impact, as well as a 10mm wrench, that's what you have to do to remove these. All right, now that we've removed those bolts, that's going to allow us to drop the hitch in, but there's one more step before that, which is going to be cutting out where the hitch goes. Now that we've got the three bolts removed, we're now on to the cutting stage. So using the template that comes in the box with your hitch, you're going to want to line this up right here. It does help to have the license plate light on for drawing this, and you're just going to want to draw out this little square shape and then proceed with cutting. When it comes to cutting, you have multiple options that you can use. The best option would be using like a small Dremel tool or a roto zip. Other ways that you could cut it would be a box cutter if you have a really steady hand, or a coping saw or something like that. So now that you've got this cut out, your first time it's not ever going to be pretty. You can come through here, pull off this little loose end of plastic, as well as clean it up with a knife or a box cutter of some sort. All right, so now it's time to actually install the hitch. So tools recommended for this is going to be a 1/2-inch wrench, a 1/2-inch socket. You can either use an impact or a hand ratchet, as well as the three bolts that come in the box with the hitch. So you want to take your hitch, slide it up underneath here, right into that hole that you cut. The face of the hitch, of the insert, is going to sit 100% flush with the plastic. Take your first bolt. You're going to want to start it. These are oversized bolts, although they will fit in these holes. It's a lot easier to do this with another person, but just with one person, this is how it goes. Once you get that through, go ahead and line up that bolt with the hitch. Go ahead and thread your nut under there and proceed on the other two. Of the three bolts, there is going to be one that is longer. The longer bolt does go in the middle hole. This is the trickiest of the three to install, and we'll show you how to do so. So if you look in the hitch, you will see your bolt protruding slightly. You're going to want to take your nut that is provided it is best to use a wrench. Use this end of the wrench, slide it on the back side to where it can be secured on, and tighten from there. Now that you've got your hitch fully installed, we're gonna put your trunk back in. This just goes in the same way that you took it out. Slides in like that. With these security knobs, you're just gonna twist them right into the secured position on all three, and you're good to go. Now the only thing left to do would be installing your hitch. No matter what hitch you're using, they're all gonna be the same. Slide that in, put your security pin in, as well as this pin. And now you're ready to tow something. So let's take this thing outside and see what it's all about. All right, so as you can see, we've got the black Evolution Maverick that we just installed the hitch onto. We've got it hooked up to a little 12-foot trailer, as well as it's hauling a brand new Evolution Ranger. So let's check out this hitch back here with the trailer hooked up. As you can see, it hooks up just like any other trailer.